Do you ever feel like, as a working mom, when someone says, "Oh, just go outside, enjoy nature," that you're so stressed, you're just trying to get through the day? You don't even know what that means. I'm Dr. Allison Coffin. I am a meditation expert, and I teach busy working moms easy, doable ways to meditate so they can not just get through their day, but be happy with their day and feel more connected to the people that they love in their life. I've been meditating for over 15 years. I'm in private practice as a chiropractor, and I treat moms and their kids every day, and we talk about the stress response. So today, I'm going to teach you how to decrease your stress response by learning how to do an outside meditation. So that's what we're going to talk about today. So how to set up an outside meditation is you just need a couple minutes. So if 2 minutes is all you got, or if you have 10, that's great. So if you have like an outside space at your home, go outside to do this. It's also really immersive if you put your feet on the ground in the dirt of the earth. That's really incredibly helpful. Or water, if you have water available. It's even helpful if you put your feet in a container of water before you meditate. So however you're set up outside, first you're going to close your eyes, and you're just going to smell the smells that you smell when you're outside. So you're going to start by just smelling what you smell, and it smells different outside than it does inside. It just does. Then with your eyes closed, you're going to see through your eyelids the glistening of light that comes through, and just see how that feels to be aware with your eyes closed of your sight. The next thing you're going to do is feel your body, feel where you're supported. So are you supported by a seat, the ground, your feet in the dirt or in the grass? Feel your body weighted there. That's a conscious moment of connection. And then you're just going to sit in your body. So I always find it helpful to use a timer, a 1-minute timer, or a 5-minute timer to get into nature immersion meditation. So set a timer and just sit there and see with your eyes closed, feel your body, smell your surroundings, and immerse yourself in that nature experience. Even if it's just for 60 seconds. It'll make your day better. It'll increase your positive ions running through your body and make your day a whole lot better. If you need help with this, feel free to click the link below that has a 5-minute guided meditation. You can listen to that while you feel your body sitting and do the other things that we just talked about. And I want you to remember that the peace and calm that you create today creates a generation of peaceful people, and I'm so glad that you're here.